Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another Premiere Pro tutorial. If you don't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's jump to the Premiere Pro. At first, take a video footage, drag and drop the video footage in the work area. Now go to the specific frame from where you want to freeze the frame. I think this is perfect for me. Now right-click on your mouse and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. Now select the Freeze Frame option, click Alt button on your keyboard, and drag it to make a copy. Select the copy layer and go to Effects Options. Go to Opacity and select Pen Tool to make a mask on the layer. Here I am doing it fast. You can take your time to mask properly to get better result. Now go to Option and select Nest. Your freeze frame is done. Now go to the Insert frame of the copy layer and click on the scale stopwatch to make a keyframe. Go to few frame before of the last frame and make a keyframe about 110%. Now go to last frame and make it again 100%. If you want to add color background, you can do it easily by simply doing some steps. Take a new color map. Drag and drop it below the copy layer. Cut rest of the layer. Now go to Effects and search for Ramp Effect. Drag and drop it to the color mat. Go to Effects and select the Ramp Scatter to Radio Ramp. Make the start color to white and end color to black. Now make correction the ramp setting to look center radial. Now select the Blend Mode to Screen. Now change the start color and end color as you want. Now if you want to add shape layer and text behind the object, you can simply do it by selecting the shape layer and make the shape like me. Rotate the shape layer a bit. Now write your text. Rotate the text to match with the shape layer. Drag and drop the shape layer below the copy freeze frame layer. Now we can see there is a portion exist from the original layer. To remove this, simply go to Effect and from the Opacity option select Pen Tool and make a mask, and then select Inverted. If you want to animate the shape and text also, then go to Effect and select the shape layer. Make the shape position down so that the shape reveal from the down. Make a keyframe a few frames before the first frame of the copy layer, and then go to the specific frame from where the freeze frame reveal and reposition the shape layer. Do the same thing for the text animation also, just make the position to left so that the text reveal from the left to right. Now preview the video. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get latest tutorial updates. See you soon in the next tutorial.